we put together a song. Actually, we didn't. We looked for a beat. I want to play the beat.
Okay.
And see if there's anything that will come up, will spark in your mind. If nothing happens, nothing happens.
Okay. Ayilungisa kancane lapho. Yeah. 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 Lang alarm. 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 Wang mo siyali lang alam. Ngavuka ekuseni with a smile on my face. Ngilindele noma ngabe yini osukwini namatfesha. Kodwa ngitshela ukuthi ngaqala kuda. Hamba umbona kuzokwenzela ngalami ngeke ukuda. Koko fula yimi la ngitshela ukuthi uzomamatheka utho wavula umnyango wathi ngihlahlela amehla ngena noma uyaphuma hawu naye imhlo kungani isithando sami singibhokela ngola she said it's over tata masakana phuphuma ungabuyelana it's over sengenzeni wathi kimi usabuza hawu nayinhlo aphuma hawu ilanga lami angoshele ilanga lami ilanga lami ilanga lami Jacksena vele indoda ayikhala nami ngabe sengikhohlisa ngithi mhlawumbe omunye ngizomthola ozongithanda I be lying to myself ngikhohlisa ngithi there's so many in the sea but then again loku ngibheka but I don't see jonga ngifanele uma nginenkinga zami ngikhala ngixelelo nganimamela mase ngibona ukuthi ngiyakhathala endleleni yothando ngangimela ngoba ngempela eqinisweni ubeyikho konke kimi ngamyeka awungamyeka eqinisweni ungalanje indlela zami zokubi bengatshela ukuthi angathola Tuqeda ukuthola ukuthi phansi zonke lokishini ngithisile bengekaze ayimelele yonto yingivezi uyikhiphile tukhalile mele ngibuyele ngixolise mhlambe she might take me back yeah but she feels like a laughing at ngimbuyisele emuva take her back yeah uthukhathela ukuthetha indoda endala bheke back yeah bese ngisevene imali yokumlobola wathi ngiphihlisi piggy bank taxasis freestyle one thing zoqhubeka ngitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani if I went back mhlawumbe ngeke wazi mhlawumbe wangixolela but that's a story for another day all I can say ukuthi ilanga lami yeah wangimoshela udali ilanga lami yeah avuka ekuseni ngijabulile ngitshela ukuthi leli langa lami kanti ngiyokwaliwa ngaliwa into khona ngoba vele amaphutha ami akumele ngishintshe indlela zami yeah
wow man yeah You know when you watch when you sit back and look at someone do magic and the first question you ask yourself is, how did you do that?
Freestyle. Freestyling ngathini those are some of the things engisifunda ku hip hop. Freestyling, you know, mongalalela nakule freestyle ayikho ayivamisile kuba khona freestyle yokucula. It's usually your rap, but you can hear things like, you understand, wordplay,
dude,
and and
I just
angakaze ngilizwe lela beat. The minute it came on was my first time hearing it and moving.
I just played it and immediately, I thought I'll let you
listen to it then.
Yes, exactly. I thought we'll just listen to it first and then you say, okay, let me think of something.
King David Studio Podcast.